Imagine an animal that looks like a fox, walks on unbelievably long legs, lives alone across the South American grasslands, and yet, once every breeding season, it performs an extraordinary ritual that leads to the birth of a new generation. How does the mysterious maned wolf find a mate? What happens inside the mother's body during pregnancy? And how do tiny blind pups survive in the wild? Today, we're exploring the complete life cycle of the maned wolf, from courtship, pregnancy, birth, and parental care. The maned wolf, scientifically known as Chrysocyon brachyurus, is the largest wild canid in South America. Despite its appearance, it is neither a true wolf nor a fox. Its long legs help it see above tall grass while searching for food, making it perfectly adapted for life in open savannas. Unlike wolves that hunt in packs, maned wolves spend most of their lives alone. But during breeding season, everything changes. Nature begins one of its most fascinating processes, the search for a mate. During the breeding season, males and females begin communicating through scent markings and loud calls that can travel long distances. Instead of immediately mating, they carefully observe one another. They walk together. They sniff each other. They play. These interactions build trust and determine whether the pair is compatible. This courtship behavior reduces aggression and increases the chance of successful reproduction. Once both animals are ready, mating occurs. Although brief, this moment begins the creation of new life. After successful mating, the female enters pregnancy. Inside her uterus, a fertilized embryo begins dividing into millions of cells. Soon, a placenta develops. This temporary organ acts like a life support system, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. Over approximately 65 days, the embryo transforms into a fully developed pup. Tiny legs, a beating heart, developing eyes. Every day brings dramatic changes. Most female maned wolves give birth to between 2 and 5 pups, although litter sizes can vary. When the pregnancy reaches its final stage, the mother searches for a quiet and safe den hidden among dense vegetation. There, she gives birth. The newborn pups are tiny, helpless, and covered with dark fur. Their eyes remain closed, and they rely entirely on their mother for warmth and nourishment. During these first days, survival depends on protection. The mother rarely leaves the den, staying close to her young. Every feeding strengthens the pups and prepares them for rapid growth. Although the mother provides milk, the father also plays an important role. He brings food back to the family and helps protect the territory. As the pups grow, they become stronger and more curious. Their eyes open. They begin walking. Soon, they start exploring the world just outside the den. The parents guide them, teaching survival skills that will one day allow them to live independently. Each week, the pups become faster, smarter, and more confident. From a simple courtship ritual, to a remarkable 65-day pregnancy, to the birth and care of helpless pups. The life cycle of the maned wolf is an extraordinary example of nature's design. Although these animals often live solitary lives, the survival of the next generation depends on cooperation, protection, and parental care. Every pup that grows into adulthood helps preserve one of South America's most unique and fascinating species. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing life cycle of the maned wolf, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible wildlife stories from around the world.